In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Read Aloud feature in ChatGPT. So this feature allows ChatGPT speak any message out loud, and it works on both mobiles and also computers. All right, so currently I'm on computer, but I will also explain how you can use it on mobile phone. So now if you have, let's say, message like this, and you want to read it aloud, you want to click on those three dots next or under the message, right? More actions, and then click on read aloud. And this is going to start reading. All right. So now you can stop it. And if you are on mobile phone, you want to click or you want to press the message and hold it. And it should open some window where you can click on read aloud like in the computer. All right, so you just have to tap on it and hold it, the message, and it's going to show you the option to read it aloud. All right, so if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.